Dear students, in the last year in 9th standard, we have already learned linear equations in two variables. That means concept of linear equation in two variable, what is meant by simultaneous equations, and solution of linear equation in two variables. Standard form and all these things we have already learned. In this 10th class, we have to learn two methods of finding out solution of simultaneous equations. So what is meant by simultaneous equations? The equations having common solution. That two linear equation in two variables are said to be simultaneous equations. Now we are going to learn the first method of finding out solution of simultaneous equations using graph. That means that is called graphical method. So graphical method, how to find the solution by graphical method, we will see here by taking one example. So example is that x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. These two simultaneous equations we are going to solve using graphical method. For that, we should draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4 and also graph of 2x minus y is equal to 2 on the same graph paper. To draw the graph line for this equation, we should make the solution sets, that means table of solution set for each equation, and then we plot the points, coordinate of that points on graph paper, and we can draw the graph line. So first let us start to make the table for first equation x plus y is equal to 4. Like this, we are taking the values of x in this equation and we can find the values of y. So minimum 3 solutions, pair of solutions we require to draw the graph line of each equation. So here we are taking the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3. Another values can be taken. If we take 0 in this equation, for our convenience, we can convert this equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. That means this equation, if we have to convert in this form, it should be like this: y is equal to minus x plus 4. When we put x is equal to 0 in this equation, we will get the value of y 4. So 0, 4 is the first pair of solution of this equation. When we put x is equal to 1 in this equation, we will get the value of y 3. In such a way, we can find another solutions, pair of another solutions 2, 2, 1, 3, and here if we put the value of x is equal to 3 in this equation, we will get 1. 3, 1 is the fourth solution. We require minimum 3 solutions to draw the graph line. Similarly, for second equation, we can also prepare the table of solution set like this. So you can take the values of x 0, 2, 1, 3. So values of y, by this method we can find the values of y taking the values of x is equal to 0 in this equation. We will get the values of y minus 2, 2, 2, 1, 0 and 3, 4. So these are the 4 values: 0, minus 2, 2, 2, 1, 0 and 3, 4. These are the 4 values, 4 solutions, 4 pair of the solutions for this equation 2x minus y is equal to 2. We know that every linear equation in two variables having infinite solutions. From that we require only 3 solutions to draw the graph lines. Now we can plot these 4 points on the graph paper for first equation, and like this. Here we can see 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1 are the 4 solutions, are the 4 pair of solutions. We have plotted here 4 points and we have drawn the graph line x plus y is equal to 4 like this, which is passing through these 4 points. Now we can also plot the 4 points of another, that means second equation. 0 minus 2, this is the first point, that means first solution of this equation. 1, 0 is the another solution, 2, 2 is the another solution, next solution, and 3, 4 is the fourth solution of this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 2. These 4 points are plotted here and a line is drawn which is passing through all these 4 points. This is the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 2 and first line is the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. These two graph lines are intersecting at point 2, 2 here. This is the common solution of both graph lines. That means this point lies on both lines. Therefore 2, 2 is the solution of simultaneous equations x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. We can also find the values of x putting the values of y also, and vice versa. In the next lecture we will see the second method of solving simultaneous equation, but before that you can do homework at home by taking some examples, and you can find the solution of simultaneous equations using graphical method. Thank you.